beaten path. And we are at the Origins Gathering. This is my space I claimed. And it's time to get set up. Whew. Let's go. Alright, so here's the kitchen. It's where we've been whipping. Sink to wash dishes, fresh water source. It's my little situation. Gotta have my coffee. And you compost here, and you take all your trash with you. Over here are the showers and the sink. It's pretty dope, actually. The showers are hot. Someone's in there, so we're not gonna go in. And here's your bathroom. Learn something new, though. It's number 2 only, because number 1 is what makes the porta potties stink. What? So you gotta use a tree for number 1. Pick your poison. And you come here for number 2. Cool, right? Let's go inside. It really ain't even that bad, y'all. Sawdust. Open it up, do your thing, dump the sawdust on top. Right? Got your hand sanitizer right there. It's my space right here. It's a little messy, but you know we got the cot action going. Cora staying out the sun. You know, nothing fancy, just enough to sleep in. Switch to the camp. There's tents everywhere. There's one spot with cell service, and you gotta walk up this path to get it. It's my first time coming, because I ain't even really trying to talk to y'all folks.
You're supposed to begin that in here.
Really?
I think maybe by this tree.
Let's see. That's interesting. Almost got service. I got service. Just got some messages. Aha! This view is amazing. Listen to the Crows. Oh, the cows. Of course, I found a drum class, or a dance class, rather, to drum at. Yes, and I found a Born to Drum sister while I was here. What? Come on. Super dope. We got Musa back there in the back. Where's this? Gordon back there. It's a whole bunch of people here. I'm happy. You should be here too. This has been phenomenal, and the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. I am done.
Oh, good. We gotta see it on. This time you can use that one.
Yeah. First time putting it on.
I feel like you should do like a... Look at that. That is anybody else need me? I'm there.
Yes. Come on. Wait a minute. Let me get this in the front. Oh.
Let me see your arm. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'm happy.
Look at the little detail up top.
You see me though? You see me? We're gonna put some cowrie shells in there.
Or just gathering 2020. Me and Sahar about to go kill it. You should be here.
Hey man.
It's gonna be dance flooring tonight. Nobody's sitting eating. Look at this thing.
just like I should have, but we will before we leave. Come on this journey with me to the bird's nest. Wow. Ooh. It does. All the trees. We are up here. This was my home for the last 10 days.